We now have our sterile single-use instrument system, and a lot of those instruments are 3D printed. And I think we made the key strategic decision with those instruments to build them in the exact same manner as we build our implants, when there were potentially other 3D printed technologies that we could have leveraged. And I think that compromise, that give and take, that push and pull, set us up and reduced a lot of our regulatory risk. It reduced a lot of our technical risk, and really gave us a product that we could bring to market efficiently in a very confident and compliant manner.